Hey everyone, welcome back. CollectibleCardChick here. Today we're going to be doing some Yu-Gi-Oh packs. We've got a Synchro Storm and a Duels from the Deep. This is a free card we got from a blister pack. Let's see what we've got. Pack number 2. And that's all for today. Thanks everybody for tuning in. See you soon for some more videos.